Wow, that is amazing. The best egg salad. Let's make it. Start with chopped hard-boiled eggs, chopped avocado, chopped green onions, fresh dill, a little squeeze of lemon, some cottage cheese. Trust me on this, but if you don't like it, don't use it. Some light mayo, some Dijon mustard, a touch of salt, a crack of pepper, and finally the secret ingredient, a touch of honey. I could eat this all day. Perfect summer snack, high protein, low calorie, cucumber salad. Start off with some Greek yogurt. Grab your lemon, fresh lemon zest. Roll the lemon. Squeeze your lemons. Hit it with some fresh garlic. Snack, snack. Hit it with some salt, some fresh dill, and some chili flakes for a kick. Give that a good mix. Oh yeah. Now grab your cucumber. Bam, bam. Thin strips of cucumber. I could eat this all day. Perfect. Perfect summer snack. Healthy ice cream in 5 minutes, 2 ingredients. Frozen mango, a touch of Greek yogurt. You can stop right there, or you can add a touch of sweetener for an extra sweet kick. An optional vanilla protein powder. Now we blend, that's it. Look at that. Woo! Have patience. All done. Smooth consistency, look at that. That is thick.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too